Do you want to upload high-quality Reels on Instagram? You can post 4K quality Reel videos on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to upload high-quality Reels on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To upload high-quality Reels on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page, tap on the plus icon at the top of the Instagram profile page. A pop-up menu appears. From here, select Reel. From here, you can record a Reel video using the camera or select a video from your device gallery. I recommend you choose a high-quality video to upload without losing quality. Once you have recorded or selected a video from your device, you will see an editing screen. Here, you can add music, text, filters, and more. Once you are ready with your video, tap on the next button. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on More Options. A new screen will appear. Again, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Here you will see the Media Upload Quality section. Enable the toggle switch button next to Upload at highest quality. Once you turn it on, go back to the previous screen, add captions, and tag someone if needed. Lastly, tap on the share button at the bottom of the screen to post your Reel video. Once posted, your friends and followers will see your Reels in 4K or high quality based on your video quality. Instagram displays Reels to others without losing any quality.